If you are a hacker or maybe a programmer, you probably might have been coming across this command. And what does it mean? Before we get there, if you are coming across this video, please support this video. So what does it really mean? chmod, that is change mode. In programming or in computer science generally, every file has four categories of permission. The first one is the U. It stands for the owner of this file. That file you are using, the owner of that file. The second category is G. It stands for the group of people involved in that file. And the third one is O. It stands for others, everyone else that is involved in that file or has a permission in that file. And the last one, which is the fourth one, is both the combination of the first one, second one, and the third one. That is the U, the G, and the O. So the U plus G plus O is equals to the A. That is all. It means every other person that is involved or that has access to this file. So what does it really mean? It has three values. If you look at it as chmod 7 or 5 or whatsoever, and the first figure stands for the owner, which means if the first figure is 7, it therefore means that the owner reserves the right to read this file, to write on this file, that is to modify the file, and lastly to execute this file. Three things are involved, and the first 4 stands for read, then the first 2 stand for write, to modify, and the last one stands for execute. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. That is what that 7 means. Then the second figure or the second place order, if it's the second place order is maybe something like 5 thereabout, it means that this group has the right to read and execute, but they don't have the right to modify or to write on this file. So the 4 stands for read, and then 1 stands for execute. And if the third place order is 5, it also means that the group reserves the right to read and execute only. They don't have the right to edit or modify or write on this file. Now you know, if you want, you leave your own at 777. That means everyone has the right to read, to write, and to execute that file. Hackers could finish your file and go collect them for your hand. If you want to support this video, thank you. If you don't want, see you in my next video.